Hi there, fellas. Hey guys, tell me, would you guys would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more money? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about the affiliate market for beginners. Okay guys, first of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. It just tells me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, 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 very awesome. So keep up. Okay guys, affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay guys, if you guys are starting, you guys, how can I say, your business, how can I say, you guys want to make money online through affiliate marketing. So it simply means that you guys going to be promoting a product from a particular company, a product from a particular company so that you guys can have the opportunity to gain some commission. Okay. So it simply means that you guys are going to join platforms like ClickBank or JVZoo. And those platforms, they allow you guys to promote thousands and thousands and thousands, if not millions of products, okay? Which is cool. But you gotta understand one thing. When you have the opportunity to promote products, you gotta make sure that the product you promote, it is a good product. Do not promote products that do not work. You have to promote products that work. It's very, very important. Because your reputation will be based on the results, on your results, will be based on the type of product that you promote. If you promote good products, your reputation will be very positive. But if you promote bad products, your reputation will be also very, very negative. You got to understand one thing. On this world of economy, in general, whether it is online or offline, 7 out of 10 business, they tend to fail, They tend to fail. Why is that? It is because, in order for business to survive, like for example, after 5 years or 10 years, a company must have a very awesome management, and this management have to always come up with solution, with, how can I say, have to know how to deal with adversities that come along the way, have to deal with the fact of how to get more customers, how to improve the quality of the business, how to give more value to the customers, all this kind of stuff, how to use money in order to, how can I say, to give more value to the company. All this kind of stuff is necessary. So in order to be successful, a company must make effort, So this is why inside of hundreds of business, sometimes you're going to find that only three or four or five businesses do work, So there are many products out there, but it's very important that you only 100% only promote products that work, And how do you know if a particular product works? You have to try the product, okay? Try the product. See what the product is all about, When you try the product, you will know if the product works or doesn't work. This is very important, This is just is the best thing that I can tell you. Try the product, and then you're going to know if the product is real or not real, and then you're going to have the opportunity to promote the product, okay? This is one thing. And as the Bible also says, by their fruit you shall know them. If a product is good, if a product is positive, is good, it will have also successful customers, If a training program is good, there will be also people who follow that program who are also going to be, how can I say, successful. If a particular program teaches you how to make money online, that program over time will have also, how can I say, successful students who also have become millionaires, you know? That's why it's very important. So pick products that have a lot of customers, have a lot, maybe thousands or more, and some of these customers, some of them are already successful, If you're looking for a program that teaches you how to make money online, then look for a product that already has, how can I say, people who have already become millionaires inside of this program, through this program, is very important. And also by getting inside of this program, it's very important that you have, how can I say, you have the opportunity to ask questions, You have the opportunity to speak with a coach, Yeah. You speak with a coach, you ask questions. Ask a lot of questions, And these questions can be easily, how can I say, answered back to you, Yeah, can be easily answered back to you. And that's very, very important. Yeah, this is one aspect, So think about it. Try the program first and then have the opportunity to promote. Okay? Okay, guys, don't forget to write your comments below and so that you can have the opportunity to receive this free ebook, that's going to help you to deal with the problems of life and business. And one more thing, by checking the link below, I'm going to give you the opportunity to check on this program, that teaches you how to make money online in a very effective way, See the program, and everything that I just said over here, you can also find inside of that program. Okay? There is a lot of people try the program and they are also very successful, So, but you check for yourself and you make your own conclusion. But remember, promote programs that work. Try first. Try and then take your own conclusions. Okay, buddy? I'll see you in next video. Ciao.